Hello everyone, myself Rekha. Here we are going to study our favorite subject, the elegant English. In this chapter, we are going to learn something new. Our first chapter name is about Try Again and Again. You can see the beautiful picture of family member over here. Let's start our reading section of this lesson. A man set out to look for work. He hoped for work. Man set out look for a work. He hoped. What he was hoped that he will get a work. He hoped to earn a lot of money for his family. What he was hoping to earn a lot of money for his family. He wandered far and near, but no one gave him a work. He wandered for the work far and near from his house also, but no one gave him a work. He found troubles instead. What he found troubles? What he found it troubles? Troubles means what? Difficulties, problems, right? Here you can see the picture of man sitting under a tree, right? What this picture want to say? Let's see what the picture convey for. Then one day his money was finished. In earlier you had sent this sentence, he found trouble instead. The trouble was this only. Then one day he was faced by the problem. The money was finished. He could not buy any food. The money was finished, so he could not buy any food. Tired and hungry. He was tired and hungry. He lay down under a tree to rest. So he take a rest under a tree. He decided to return home next day. What he was decided that he will return home. Next morning he went to a near lake to wash his face. When next morning he went to the lake to wash his face, as he was about to leave, he saw a squirrel. When he was leaving that time, he saw a squirrel. It was sitting on the edge of the lake. Where the squirrel was sitting? Edge of the lake. The man saw that it was dipping its tail into the water and then shaking it over the ground. The man was sure that it was dipping its tail into the water and then shaking it over the ground. The man was thinking what the squirrel want to do with his tail. The man asked, "Little squirrel, what are you doing?" The man asked, "The little squirrel, what are you doing?" You know what the squirrel replied of these main questions? Let's see what the squirrel has replied. You can see the picture of squirrel near the lake. Yes, you can see, right? Now see the squirrel what replied of the question. "I'm emptying this lake," replied the squirrel. Squirrel what replied? "I'm emptying this lake." "But how can you do this?" asked the man. "Even if you dipped your tail in the lake millions of times, it would still not be empty." Man when told that how can you do this? Even if you dipped your tail into the lake millions of times, it would still not be empty. How can you do this? What the squirrel replied? "Never mind, I can still try." What the squirrel replied of this question? "Never mind, I can still try." The man learned a lesson from he heard this. By hearing the squirrel sentence, the man who was asking the question to him why he is dipping his tail in the lake, he learned something from his sentence. What he learned? Let's see. He realized that it was wrong for him to give up. What he realized? Okay, it was wrong for him to give up. That he was give up, that he could not get a work, it was wrong. I should not give up. So the man said, what he set off again to look for a work. So he set off again to look for a work. Let's hope he found something to do. Then the man decided and hoped in his mind that he can get found and something to do. I will never give up. Right? So friends, you must also try. You must not also to give up. You must try until you get success. One day you can get success. So we should never give up from this lesson we are learning. Here are some difficulties word I have dictated with the meaning. First, hoped, expect, wondered, hang out, troubles, problems or difficulties, realize, to understand the situation, million, a large number. Friends, I hope you like this video. So I'm ending over here this chapter. Thank you.